Your choice. You want to go right of it or left of it?
Your lead. We're already favoring the left, right?
Yeah, we're favoring the left, so let's go left of it. Alright, going back to about 800 feet. Still have me in sight?
I'm right here.
Excellent. Giving you a heads up, I just looked at the chart. This monster is about 2,000 feet high.
A big tower.
Oh yeah. I'm showing 53 minutes to destination. That's not bad.
No, that's not.
We do. Let's look up for them.
Alright, looks like we passed that big monster. Back on course. Good away. when you have a constant speed prop and that propeller is slowed down to 1700 RPM, which is what it does right now, does the tack go slower?
No.
So you're not really trying to save engine time by spinning the prop slower. As soon as that engine starts spinning, the tack starts spinning and ticking every minute, whatever it takes.
Right.
Copy that. We got some big monster towers ahead of us, about 20 miles. I don't know if we should go right or left of it. We'll see as we're heading closer.
Copy that.
Oh, Prince, 172 over here up by headlight, holding headlight 4000 close.
Am I running away from you or not too bad?
No, it's not bad at all.
I'm doing about 95, that's why I was asking.
Yeah, I had to speed it up.
Good enough. I'll slow down back to 85. I think I picked the perfect power setting right now. 20 inches and 1700 RPM. I'm down to 9 gallons an hour doing 90 miles an hour.
No, the more you fly it, the better that'll get.
Yeah, you know, it feels like, you know, it's kind of coming alive because this guy didn't fly it much.
That's very possible. Or you could be getting used to it.
I think it's a matter of getting used to it, that's for sure. I'm actually using a power setting. I looked at a recommended power setting from Continental, big engine Continental 475/20, and it says that on low cruise you got to drop the RPM down to 1700 RPM and 20 inches, or 1800 RPM, 19 inches, or 1900, then kind of play with it. But it seems like when you're getting the manifold pressure a little bit higher than the RPM, you're getting a better, you know, push and more efficiency out of the engine.
I would agree with that.
I think it's a matter of torque. You know, the way the airplane is designed, it's providing more torque at lower RPM. You rev it at 2800, you're actually getting horsepower out of it. But if you throttle back and prop back, you're getting more torque at lower RPM. So the torque will give you more efficiency, and that's why your fuel burn is better.
You have your complex high performance, right?
Oh yeah.
Well, you should know that already.
No, I mean, it's trial and error. You know, I've been experimenting with this one, you know, for a little while, and it looks like you want the RPM low. You want the RPM low to get bigger bite out of the air.
And when you go faster with more RPM, then your prop is that'll bite less in order for it to be efficient.
That's exactly right. I can totally see you right now at 25 square cruising at 150 knots.
I guarantee it, 25 square would be awesome in that.
Yeah, there we go. I'm cruising at about 80 miles an hour now.
Yeah, I'm at you 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock looking. Don't see her yet.
About a quarter mile away.
Ah, I got you right off my right wingtip. Beautiful.
I'm going to take the towers down my left side.
Yeah, I think it's better. I'm going to do the same thing.